how to cash out on Cash App or send Bitcoin on Cash App. If you'd like to cash out on Cash App, which means you want to withdraw your money from Cash App, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is just make sure that you launch the Cash App application and make sure that you're also signed into your account. Once you sign into your account, come to the home icon from the bottom left. Here you'll be able to see your current cash balance. And also what you have to do is just tap on the cash out button that you'll be able to find right over there. Once you tap on the cash out button from the bottom right, on the next page you'll be able to enter the amount of money from the maximum balance that you'd like to cash out, or you can search and type in a custom balance accordingly. Once done, depending upon what payment method you have linked and so on, the money will be sent or withdrawn to a certain bank account or your card. So this way you will be able to go ahead and then cash out on Cash App. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.